Good morning everyone. Today not start a new topic because 20th January is your exam. So today we just give you some suggestion about your exam and you have to practice this topic. Not new topics today start. We have to just revise and tell you that is which is very important in your syllabus. Okay. So everybody open page number 34, lesson number 14. Everybody open lesson number 14, page number 34. Okay. Open it. Now at first put the date. Today's date is 22nd January 2021. Day is Friday. Subject is French. And today topic, just revise the chapter. Lesson number 14 and lesson number 15. Thus two chapters we have to revise it. Okay. So this lesson I told you that is this passage is very important for translation. That is cette image représente la classe de l'invention. Cette classe est grande et claire. Elle a 9 mètres de long, 7 mètres de large. That this passage is very important for translation. Okay. Next one, you go to the page number 35. Exercise number 1. Conjugate passé. Passé verb, that is first group verb. You have to conjugate only for the one affirmative form, that is passé affirmative form. Je passe, tu passes, il passe, nous passons, vous passez, il elle passe. That's it. Only the affirmative form you have to convert it. Exercise number 2. Put the demonstrative adjective. We have already discussed which is demonstrative adjective. That is so, sat, set, say. So for ce, so for masculine, cet for vowel, ctte for feminine, and ces for plural. So at first copy the blanks, then you put the adjective. Then after the dash, if the word ending with e, that is the feminine, you put cette. After the dash, if the word starting by vowel, you put cet. After the dash, if the word ending with s, that is the plural, you put ces. And after the dash, if the word without e, that is the masculine, you put ce. So first one, so livre, ce, so livre. Next one, after dash, horloge. H is the semi-vowel, so you put cet. Third one, after dash, that is serviette, 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 ending with e, this word ending with e. So this is the feminine, you put cette. Next one, this word enfant, enfant, starting by vowel, so you put cet. After that, this word ending without e, so you put ce. Mure, mur, mure. The next one, after that, that is femme, 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 femme means lady. So this is the feminine, you put cette. After that, next one, arbre, 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 starting by vowel, so you put cet. And last one, that is homme, homme, starting by semi-vowel, so you put cet. Okay. So this topic is very important. Exercise number 1, very important. Exercise number 2, that is also very important. Now go to the exercise number 5. Mettez l'article défini. Put the definite article before the word. Which word? Kilomètre. That is feminine, you put la. Gram, this also feminine, you put la. Age, starting by vowel, so you put l apostrophe. Litre, ending with e, so you put la. And kilo, that without e, so this word is masculine, you put l. So this 1, 2 and 5, 3 topics are very important, and this translation is very important. Now go to the page number 42, lesson number 15, page number 42. This chapter translation. Voici un jardin et des fleurs. This first stanza is very important. That is, voici tu un balcon. Nous voyons un balcon. Voici un jardin de fleurs. Here is a garden and some flower. Dans le jardin, in the garden, voici un maison blanche. Here is a white house. Avec un toit rouge et un haut cheminée with a red roof and high chimney. Cette maison a un grenier. This house has a storeroom, des étages, 2 floors, un rez-de-chaussée, a ground floor, est une cave, a cellar. Devant le fenêtre du premier étage, in front the window of the first floor, nous voyons un balcon. We see a balcony. This stanza is for translation. Now go to the conversation. All conversation are very important. Conversation number 1 to conversation number 10. This 10 conversation is very important in your exam. So everybody practice this 10 conversation. Already discussed the last day. And already write the board. You write in your copy most probably the last day. Next one. Go to the exercise number 3. Exercise number 1 and exercise number 2 is not important. Exercise number 3. Conjugate the verb. Var, attendre verb. These 3 verbs. These verbs are very important in your syllabus. So you have to practice in your home. This var, attendre verb. The 3 verbs. I already write in the board. Last day you write in your copy. So best of luck for your exam. So whatever we tell you, you have to practice in your home. If you any problem, any doubt, tell me, I have to rectify your problem. So today not start new topic. We have to just discuss which is the very important in your annual exam. I have given you some suggestion. You have to practice in your home. If you any problem, I again tell you. If you any problem, any doubt, tell me, I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.